Common sense psychology is the everyday reasoning we do about other people. In particular, even from infancy, humans are able to reason about the invisible intentions and motivations that drive other people's actions just by observing what they do. In our study, we put head-to-head 11-month-old infants with learning-driven neural network models meant to model human behavior. And so what we did is we showed them very simple environments where simple shapes represented people, and those shapes took actions. And the question was, could infants predict what the motivations were, the invisible causes of those actions, better than the learning-driven neural network models? Anyone who spent any time with an infant would probably know that it's not easy to get information out of them. They can't even talk, for example. But we thought it was really important to try to do this experiment with infants because infants' foundational knowledge, while it is limited and abstract and reflective of our evolutionary inheritance, is also amenable and flexible to any environment in which an adult might grow up. And so if an aim of AI is to build the flexible, common sense thinker that human adults become, then AI might need to start like human adults do, from the same core abilities as infants. Babies can't really tell us what they're thinking, so we use things like their looking time to try to figure out what they might know. So in this experiment, we used what's called a violation of expectation looking time paradigm. So someone sees a series of events that serve to set up an expectation, and they're followed by events that have a violation to that expectation or an unexpected event, and are consistent with that expectation, an expected event. Infants are fascinated by other people, and they bring to this fascination a rich set of inferences and intuitions about the motivations that cause other people to act. And so these are things that we use in our daily lives from infancy through adulthood. And if AI can't capture these kinds of things, then it might make some significant errors when trying to predict human behavior. The next steps of our research include, first, trying to build some computational models that do better at our existing tasks. And these models are likely to include some learning-driven approaches as well as some engineered approaches. Setting infant common sense as a benchmark for machine common sense will help give AI the foundations of human intelligence.